Hey everyone, welcome back to Fish Have North and More. Hope you're doing fantastic. If you're not already subscribed, make sure to smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, and turn on notifications so you're notified every time a new video is posted. We are just out here doing a little crappie and sunny fishing, doing a little catch and cook today. Since someone was an idiot and forgot the frying pan yesterday. Got him. That's a keeper. All day long with keeper. I need to open more windows up and get some heat going in here. I've got the heater on, it's not doing squat. Tip up is still going lively, it is all get out. I don't know if this is gonna hurt us or not. I've got between a quarter and half a tank of propane left. This side really got banked. Yeah, holy Moses. I don't even know what the temperature is right now, but in the teens, I think. Either in the teens or the 20s. Next year, all I know is next year we're buying a new heater. This heater sucks. It's only like a 5,000 BTU heater, and it doesn't heat this house for crap. Not unless it's super warm out. I just missed them. Gosh dang it. Not unless it's super warm out, then it'll heat the house up in a matter of minutes, but unless that's the case, you pretty much are running that heater on high the whole time. I mean, I've got one more 20 pounder in my truck that's, I don't know, half to a quarter full. And I'll end up using some of that to hook the stove up too. I don't know what the heck I ate last night, but I am gassier than gassy. Wow, that's gassy. I don't know what the heck I ate, but that's awful. There's a ton of fish down there. We're right on the edge of this weed line, I think. Yesterday we were sitting right in the middle of this weed bed. We're sitting in 11 feet of water, and I for sure could have swore that we were going to be on the edge of it. But we're still in the weeds, and there is a ton of bluegills. Like, it's ridiculous how many there are. We got the underwater camera. pointing directly at our bait. Wasn't too hard to put that down and figure that out. I knew I should have put the camera down first before setting the house up, but my buddy's coming out here and we're somewhere's in this spot. I don't know how close to the spot I am. Darn it, I forgot the sunflower seeds again. God damn it. I got some sausages I could cook up for breakfast, which I still may end up doing just to get this stupid chill to go away. Because I forgot to grab my coffee. That's sitting on the counter at home. I walked out of the door this morning at a rush at 5 a.m. to get out here, and I lollygagged, and I didn't get out here until 6:30 or 7. Just because I was screwing around at home trying to make sure I had everything, even though everything was in my truck. I was trying to remember whatever was in the house, not to forget. Because I'm having a catch and cook with my buddy. Haven't seen him in a year, so it'll be fun to reconnect with him. Come on, fishies, tell your brothers to bite. I can see you all staring at it. That heater is not doing anything. Good lord, there is a pile of sunfish. They're just like stacked up down there. 1, 2, 3. I'm counting 10 of them looking at it right now. I want the stupid show go away. There's a bluegill looking at the camera. I just cannot get this stupid shell to go away at all. Yeah, instead of going this way with the house, I should have gone this way. That way I'd be on the opposite. Not really. I was gonna say I'd be on the opposite end of the wind, but my back would be looking. Hey, there's a crappie right there. I'd be still. My back would be sitting into the wind right now. What is that? I just turn the camera on and it all of a sudden turns into the Dead Sea and nothing wants to bite? Like, really give me a break. Yeah, it's not even nothing like cold, it's just I'm cold. I don't know why. That's what I should do, is find something to block that off. I should find like a moving blanket or something, put clips on it so I can block half of this house off and only heat half at one time if I want. still haven't decided if I want breakfast sausage or not. Although it does sound really good. They're just piled up down there. Nothing is biting. What the heck? Damn you, you stupid fish. Get over there. I cook breakfast sausage and then like a bunch of stuff. Although it does sound really, really good. The bite was going so good there. Why did this bite all of a sudden just turn off? It seems like every time I turn the camera on, the fish don't bite, and when I turn the camera off, the fish turn on. I don't know what the deal is. This ain't doing it, so I'm gonna switch up to a minnow. And while there'll be a minnow on there, then we can get something hot in our stomach, because I am legitimately starving. So far this morning, the breakfast, I don't even know what you would call it, sweet and sour roll, or I don't know. We'll throw this guy down there and hopefully trigger something to come in and hit it. This is just starting to irritate me. Now I spend all this time. Time to go to the truck and grab the sausages and the other propane tank. I'm gonna laugh if something hits that and takes that rod down the hole. That's gonna be hilarious. But I highly doubt it. quarter and half a tank of propane in this other tank. No, that's sealed up. What the hell? Now I just have to put this propane tank in here. And everything in there is a disaster from my last fishing trip. Which is just lovely. Why the heck? I grabbed a plate. I should have grabbed a bowl. So far, I'm still seeing nothing down there. There's a ton of fish, but nothing's biting. Doesn't seem like a whole lot of fun right now when it's not, especially in the fact that this thing I'm like for a moment isn't. Fight with this every time. Are you serious? I have to go back outside to get my light. That's what it was a honey bun I had for breakfast this morning. Yeah, now it doesn't seal again. What the heck? I just don't understand this. still have the, we still have plenty. We still have the spaghetti thing, that spaghetti thing we can make up. Well, you definitely can't ask for much better. Trying to warm up in the house, cooking some breakfast, waiting for rattle reels to go off. Yeah, life doesn't get much better. Definitely gonna be warm now.